Hello everyone. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Otherwise, welcome back. Thank you for spending your time watching this video. It's appreciated. Now you might be asking why I'm making these videos. I'm going to explain that, but please stick with me to the end so I can explain everything I want to do here. So to answer that simple question of why, the answer is also simple. Money. There will be no lies here. This is my promise to you. No lies, no clickbait, no opinions, just fact. Money is the reason I'm making them, and what I will do with this money will be explained soon. I will be making a series of financially geared videos documenting my journey, and hopefully yours too, if you stick with me, which will hopefully benefit people and spread some knowledge about the financial sector and money in general. Now, let's answer some where, why, and how questions everyone will have at this point. Where is this money coming from? Simple. From you, the viewer. Your views of these videos, along with any donations that you make, will generate a revenue stream for the channel. These donations will all be added to the project and make a real difference to its success in the long term. Next question. So once I have this money, what am I going to be doing with it? The answer is, I'm going to be investing it to generate a monthly income. I know I can hear you now saying a couple of things. Well, there are others doing this. Why are you different? Well, keep watching. It's coming up. And the second question, okay, so what is he going to be doing with this income? Well, let's try and answer both of those questions. 40% of it will be set aside to deal with any financial liabilities, tax. There are no ways around this. 50% of what's left, it will be going back into the fund via new investments, and finally we will be giving the remaining to charitable causes. This is the main focus of the channel. This is what's different to others, the charitable donations. This means for every £1 generated, around 30 pence will go back into the fund, and the same to charity. I will be using the revenue from YouTube, Patreon, etc. to build the fund, which will generate an income and thus allowing us to donate that money to where it's needed. There is so much money in the world being used on fruitless causes. Let's try and focus some to help those who need it the most. Each month I will be releasing an update video which will go over the financials, how much the fund has increased from your help, how much was generated by the fund, and where we are on our path to our goal, or how much we have donated. I will also go into a breakdown of how much YouTube and Patreon have made to show everyone what is being generated by the community. So, where do we start? Well, we need to start raising that initial funding. For YouTube, that means the first step is monetization. So please, SDLC, you know the process now, so we can start bringing in that income, building those investments, and generating that revenue. I have also set up a Patreon, so please head over and gift whatever you can each month, or even a one-off payment, and hopefully together we can make a difference. That is all for this video. Please rewatch if anything is unclear. Comment if you want more information, and I will make further videos. And as always, look after yourself and your money. And I will see you in the next video.